Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're discussing how to automate invoice generation using Zapier. So just open up your dashboard, then go to Create, and then choose Apps, and select then your primary payment processor, like Stripe, Shopify, or your core sales CRM. So choose that as the trigger. So I'm just going to search for Stripe in the list. Okay, choose Stripe, there you go. And then set the trigger event parameter strictly to new charge or new successful order right here. New charge, there you go, perfect. And of course, don't forget in this button here next to account, authenticate your account connection and run a test pass to fetch a recent customer transaction payload. This will pull a vital raw variables like the customer's email, line item breakdowns, and total dollar amounts. And now we are ready to connect the automated accounting engine to process the data blocks. So go to Action. If you don't see this, just click on plus. And in here, you can just select the new step, for example, with your preferred billing software, such as QuickBooks Online, Xero, or Wave. Let's search for Xero. There you go, we have Xero, great. And inside the configuration panel, just map your dynamic data variables from step 1 straight into the corresponding fields. Link the customer email to the recipient cell, match item descriptions, and log the transaction amount bill straight into the unit price block. And of course, don't forget to connect your account here. And once you choose your event, just run a final validation check to ensure your taxes and currency codes align perfectly. That is it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always, and thank you for watching.